welcome back, folks. We are in the verdict watch in Ohio, the case against Joshua Sills. They are still in their first hour of deliberations. And they had a question for the judge, which was, as you know, this is a case in which he's accused of rape and kidnapping. The scene is the pickup truck that he owns. And the jury said, hey, what kind of make and model was that pickup truck? And the court said, use your collective recollection, which was probably not a whole lot of help. We know it was a Ford F-150, which, by the way, is the #1 selling truck in the country. Decent-sized truck, but this guy is, 6'6", 325 pounds. Katherine, Lizardo, Natalie Whittingham-Burrell, both here to suss this out. Breaking news from Katherine here. What's the deal? Who was eating with whom, and what was that all about?
Yes, it's quite fascinating that a juror actually told the judge, and she was brought in to testify about this, that a friend of hers called her and said that excuse me, that the defense counsel were eating at the restaurant where the victim worked and were talking about the case so loudly, intentionally, that the servers could hear what they were talking about and was basically berating the victim. And as soon as that friend told the juror told her that I am a juror of the case and I cannot talk to you about that, which is the appropriate response by any juror. And that juror immediately told the judge. That's why she was brought in for questioning, and she was asked by the judge repeatedly, can you still give a fair and unbiased jury verdict here? And she said yes, and the judge kept her there. But the big question is, why were the defense counsel even eating at the restaurant where the victim worked? They had to have known, because as trial lawyers, we know everything about the victim, and you certainly know where they worked before and where they work now.
Yeah, either very stupid not to know it, or very stupid to go there and kind of carry on as they did. But the jury member is still on the panel. They're still deliberating. Natalie, you got a kidnapping charge here. Let's talk about that briefly, because that's the one that carries a sentence max of life. The rape, which is obviously serious, is 3 to 10 years. Give me your take on proving kidnapping. Give me your 30-second version on that.
I mean, they've got to show that he moved her, that he held her against her will and exported her somewhere else. And without being able to show that, I don't know how they're going to prove that charge. I have some concerns without them even establishing the crime scene itself and showing that to the jury. That concerns me a lot. But
yeah, it seems like they really missed that, and it faberglassed me and glassed me. It just seems like a big thing to miss, don't you think? Okay, well, we're going to find out. The jury continues to deliberate. Katherine Lizardo, I'm going to thank and excuse you. Head on back to your Dallas-Fort Worth area. And Natalie Whittingham-Burrell, thank you. And I'm excusing you as well to return to the D.C. area. Have a great weekend, everybody. I'm Michael Bryant. That'll do it for me. Hey, try to do the right thing. We'll see you next time right here on Law and Crime.